Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out Miofive's S1 Ultra Dashcam. We also have the Type-C Hardwire kit to take a look at. This is a 4K front and 4K rear dashcam. Let's have a look at the advertising on the box. 4K and 4K resolution, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, IPS screen and AI. Onto the bottom we've got some company information and the Miofive QR code. Let's open this up. Top of the box we have the support card and a coloured user manual. Onto the main unit. First glance is a little smaller than a credit card. Menu buttons here, 3-inch screen, some ventilation on the bottom, this side a micro SD card slot and rear camera input. Top has a Type-C power in and power button. Feels pretty well built with a carbon fibre style finish on the front. Okay, on the rear camera, this is also 4K. It's fully adjustable with some ventilation on the top and bottom there, and the cable input on the end. We also have a data cable, some static stickers, spare sticky pad for the mount, camera mount and clips in there. It's also adjustable, a trim tool, cleaning cloth, front to rear camera cable, and a spare rear sticky pad, 12-volt plug, and power cable. Onto the Hardwire kit, we've got a user manual, a range of different Adafuse taps and fuses, the regular red, yellow and earth cables there. Onto the unit, hope that focuses in. Yeah. You can set the voltage to 4 different settings from 12 volts to 11.4 volts. Alright, let's go and install this and head out in the road test.
Fixed camera ahead. Speed limit 70. Pass. Keep up with traffic.
App functionality. Let's have a look at the app now. Open up the S1. Let's check out the live view. You can toggle the data overlay on and off there. Go into the album, the files are kept in here. Switch back to the live view to enter the settings. Okay, we've got the data overlay. This is what you want displayed on the screen. Resolution, 4K at 30 frames per second at the front and 4K at 24 frames per second at the rear. Loop video 1 minute is the default. Voice settings, there's 5 different options. We'll select English. Speaker volume, we'll leave that on medium. Microphone on. Parking monitors on. Sensitivity, leave that on medium. AI settings are there. Time, we'll sync that to the mobile. I'll set this to kilometers. Format card, we recommend you do this every 30 days. Overview. Well, after 3 weeks of testing the S1 Ultra, I can safely say this is a great dashcam and one we certainly recommend. It's a very budget-friendly option for a dual 4K camera setup. The speed camera alert feature is just rolling out in Australia. Vision, it's very clear, number plates were easily read, and I thought the super night vision was exceptional. The AI algorithm covers 3 alerts. There's a fatigue driving alarm, harsh driving alert, and a stop-go reminder that we demonstrated on screen. Maximum SD card size is 512GB. File transfer is quick with 5 GHz. The S1 Ultra is super capacitor, so there's no internal battery. With registration of the product, it's got a 24-month warranty. It's a great little camera, performed exceptionally well for us. The S1 would be something certainly to keep in mind if you are looking for a budget 4K dual dash camera. Put some specs up on the screen now. Alright, that's enough from me. Aussiecams over and out.